In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF link to your Wix website step by step. This is a really useful skill if you have documents you want to share with your audience but aren't quite sure how to integrate them directly into your website. So let's jump into it and make sure you know exactly what needs to be done. First and foremost, you'll want to start by navigating to your Wix website editor. Once you've logged into your Wix account, simply go to My Sites and select the site you want to edit. This is where all your action is going to take place. It can be a bit daunting at first if you're not familiar with the editor, but don't worry, it's pretty user-friendly and straightforward once you know what you're doing. Next, you're going to locate the specific text where you want to insert your PDF link. Highlight that text because that's where you're going to make it interactive. Once you've done that, look for the link icon, which generally resembles a small chain link and should appear somewhere on the toolbar. Clicking this icon is vital as it allows you to set up a hyperlink within your text, directing your visitors to where you want them to go. Now that you've clicked the link icon, a menu will appear on your screen. In this menu, you'll see various linking options. What you're going to do is click on the option that says Web Address. This tells the Wix editor that you want to paste an external link, rather than linking to another page within your own site. It's crucial to choose this option if you want your visitors to be directed to a different location online, such as a PDF file hosted elsewhere. With the web address option selected, you're ready for the next step, which is pasting your URL. Simply paste the full URL of your PDF document into the provided field. Be sure to double check the URL to ensure there are no typos or unnecessary spaces, because you want it to lead your visitors directly to the correct document without any hiccups. Once the URL is pasted correctly, the final step to solidify everything is to click on Done. This step is as easy as it sounds, and it effectively saves your new link configuration. After clicking Done, you should be all set with a newly linked PDF on your Wix website. And that's it, you've successfully linked a PDF to your Wix site, making it easy for visitors to access your documents. This straightforward process enhances the interactivity of your site and helps share valuable information seamlessly. With these steps, you can now efficiently share important documents with your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website editing.